Local news for Friday the 17th of August. Last month's real estate figures are out and are showing a slight growth across all three districts. Carterton had 19 sales, just one down on the previous month. South Wairarapa, 28 sales, just one down. But Masterton was 5 sales up with 53 recorded for last month. The Prime Minister was in town yesterday. Jacinda Ardern was hosted at an intergenerational playgroup at Breedcraft, where she opened the new tortilla manufacturing plant, and at the launch of the Digital Seniors program at the Copthorne Resort and Solway Park. And a public meeting to discuss ways to combat crime will be held in Greytown next Wednesday. The event hosted in the Greytown Town Centre at 7 p.m. And in sport, the Ferries Wairarapa Bush are away tomorrow to Dannevirke, where they'll play the Manawatu development side. And it's congratulations to Mark Rutini. He's been named as assistant coach of the New Zealand Heartland 15, alongside another local, Gavin Hodder, who's been named as manager.